Salesforce CRM Demo 2025. In this tutorial, we're going to walk through a complete Salesforce CRM demo for 2025, showing you what the platform looks like today, how businesses use it, and the features you can leverage to manage customers, sales, and marketing more effectively. Now, Salesforce has long been recognized as one of the leading customer relationship management platforms, and while it has always been popular with enterprises, in recent years it has become more accessible for small and medium-sized businesses as well. Now, when you first go ahead to Salesforce, what you're going to do is you're going to want to make sure to log in. Now, in the case you don't have an account, don't worry. You can simply go ahead and create a free account for yourself, and it's totally easy, no credit card required whatsoever. So we're going to go ahead, add our details. Once we have done that, you're going to add in the number of employees, your company name, click on next. What you're going to do from here is you're going to add in your phone number, your email, click on submit. And what's going to happen from here is they're going to take us straight into our free trial. So that is how simple and easy it is to actually go ahead and create an account. Now, once you have created an account and you are, appropriately logged in to your store, what's going to happen is they're going to send you a confirmation email letting you know everything has been done, everything is good to go, etc. And as you can see, it says check your emails. So all we're going to do from here on out is simply go over to our email, and you should receive the email pretty quickly and early on. It shouldn't take a lot of time for the email to reach. In the case it does, do make sure to check your spam folder because that's the kind of places it usually goes to. So as you can see, in my case, the email has come to my spam folder. Now here, they're going to give me my company, my organization ID, and they're going to give me all this messages. So here, they're going to ask me to check my email and everything. Your free 30-day trial is on its way to your inbox. Now, from here on out, what you're going to do is you're actually going to go over to login. Now, in the case of login, we're obviously going to go with Salesforce. And at the same time, do make sure to keep checking your updates or your promotions because in some cases you might find your emails over there. Now, in my case, I have this over here. And once we are in this section, what you're simply going to do is you're going to go ahead to log in with email. You can log in with your username or password, but that obviously depends on you. So I'm going to add in my email, click on continue. And once that is done, let me show you what happens when you log in. Now, once you're logged in, the home dashboard is going to be the first thing that greets you. It has been redesigned for better clarity. And instead of being cluttered with too many widgets, you will now see a personalized overview that adapts to your role. So if you're in sales, your dashboard shows you your active deals, your pipeline forecast, and any AI-generated suggestions for follow-ups. If you're in marketing, the dashboard highlights campaign performance, email engagement, and customer journeys in progress. And if you're in support, you'll see tickets, service requests, and customer satisfaction metrics right up front. Now, obviously, when it comes to Salesforce, it depends on what you're actually working with. So if you're in a small business, you can come over to their sales module, which is often most used parts of Salesforce. Now, in 2025, opportunities and leads are handled in a very visual pipeline view where you can drag and drop deals across stages. Each opportunity card shows the company name, the deal value, the probability of it closing, and a whole lot more. Salesforce prompts you with a reminder or even drafts a suggested follow-up using Einstein GPT. You can also set tasks, schedule calls, and log interactions all within the opportunity record. So the system builds a complete timeline of how that lead has been nurtured. One impressive addition this year is the integration of predictive forecasting. Instead of relying solely on sales rep estimates, Salesforce now uses historical data and AI modeling to give a probability adjusted forecast of how much revenue is likely to close by the end of the quarter. This is extremely useful for managers and executives because it reduces the guesswork and adds more accuracy to planning. Now, moving into contacts and accounts section, you'll find that Salesforce is designed to be a single source of truth about every customer. And you can obviously work along that on the marketing section, okay? It's not just an account record. Each contact record now includes not just the standard details like name, email, and phone number, but also activity insights with purchase history, support interactions, and even social media engagement if it is well integrated. Now, what's new in 2025 is the Customer 360 view. And if you don't know about the Customer 360 view, that is basically the proper customer access or CRM view that they provide you, which is one of the greatest things when it comes to Salesforce's CRM. Now, also, you can also take a look at the Marketing Cloud management on their website. Okay. And when it comes to marketing, Salesforce is a banger. In 2025, it has become far more streamlined so you can create campaigns without leaving the CRM environment. You can segment customers based on behavior, demographics, or past purchases, and then launch automated campaigns across email, SMS, and even WhatsApp. A standout feature here is Journey Builder, which lets you map customer journeys visually. For example, you can design a flow where new leads get a welcome email, then receive a product demo link, and if they don't respond, they are automatically shifted to a different nurturing path with retargeting ads. Now, Einstein GPT plays a big role when it comes to Salesforce. Generating subject lines, ad copy, and even dynamic product recommendations based on customer data is available. This level of automation saves marketing teams countless hours and increases the chance of engagement. Now, the service module is equally important in Salesforce. And obviously, that service module will go around for your business according to whatever your CRM constitutes. So for example, you can type in "show me all the deals in the pipeline worth more than $50,000 and it will instantly generate a list for you. It's a lot like Einstein GPT. You can also say "draft a follow-up email for my last client meeting" and Einstein will create a polished, professional draft ready to send. Let's also touch on the reports and dashboard section. So in 2025, Salesforce reporting is much faster with drag and drop customizations where you can actually build dashboards for sales performance, revenue trends, marketing ROI, or customer satisfaction. You can make them interactive so managers can filter by region, team, or even time frame. Let's also touch on the reports and industry section. Now, when it comes to the reporting on the CRM section, it is one of the greatest things you can get. And the reason for that is because the revenue and trends in your marketing ROI or customer satisfaction will be available when you're using Salesforce's very own CRM. And it's great when it comes to the Sales Cloud and the Marketing Cloud. It works very well with their ROI and it gives really great insights. Now, of course, after talking about all of this, we do need to talk about the plans and pricings that they give us. Now, Salesforce is not the cheapest CRM on the market. Okay, I'll be honest about that because it does have a lot of money when it comes to its CRM. Now, when it comes to value, it will lie in its scalability and customization because in 2025, the company has made licensing more flexible, allowing smaller businesses to start with essential features and add advanced modules. So you can see that Salesforce will give you a free plan, they will give you a starter suite, and then they'll give you a pro suite. Now, not the cheapest, but pretty decent pricing. So to wrap up this demo, Salesforce is not just a sales tool. It's a full ecosystem for managing CRMs, automating process, and gaining predictive insights. Its strength actually lies in its scalability, AI-powered features, and ecosystem of integrations. So for businesses that take time to set it up correctly, Salesforce becomes a central hub that unites every department around the customer. While the learning curve is still there, especially for smaller teams, the payoff in terms of efficiency, better forecasting, and improved CRM makes it worth the investment. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.